back to another video from the Bull and Bear Analyst. Today we're looking at the crude oil markets. Just before we start, as always, if anyone's interested in joining my free market analysis group over on Telegram, please feel free to scan the barcode on your screen. Okay, so looking back at the crude oil market, currently trading at around $86.6 per barrel. So the crude oil market has been in decline for the past few days. Since Monday, we did see a decline right below the 50-day EMA, and it is looking quite like a weak performance. Let me just enlarge this so you can see it. It's a weak performance for the crude oil market, which is something we're not used to. We haven't been used to a weak performance in crude oil recently. And looking at the energy market in general, it's looking very strong. I think that crude oil markets might require some near-term consolidation. We have crude oil since Monday. We had 3% decline, and I think we're going to need more time for it to actually turn higher. I still believe that it will turn higher eventually when demand spikes. However, right now, I think it's going to need some correction, some consolidation for it to go down. And we're probably going to see it around the 95 levels that we mentioned before. Right now, I wouldn't be so surprised if we actually did break below the 50-day EMA. So I won't be surprised if we actually go down all the way to the 80s, $80 per barrel. It could be on the cards. But we will see whether energy might be adversely affected. I think that long-term speaking, energy is going to be able to avoid much of the technical damage, that we're going to have. Energy has been very, very strong. And I think that is going to push the crude oil back up all the way to the $95 per barrel, or maybe even to 100. And we're going to have a lot of fundamentals that will support this. But right now, I would say near term or the short term, it's going to be a bearish move towards the crude oil for the crude oil markets. However, long term, I think it's going to turn back higher as soon as December or maybe the beginning of the year.